FunnelCentrix is a powerful business marketing training and support program that shows you the exact steps that you need to take to build a funnel-centric marketing strategy that's right for your business and one that actually works. It's a simple 4-step process that will enable you to scale your marketing to feed your business growth. Now, it doesn't matter if you're in startup, a solo entrepreneur, or you're an established and successful business. You may be struggling to get the sort of leads you need to fuel your sales, or just getting bogged down with all the noise and just want some clarity and direction. Whatever your needs, we're here to help you break down those barriers and provide a simple, clear path to build a cohesive marketing program that feeds and grows your business. So if you've been frustrated with those marketing strategies that only cover a tiny part of what your business actually needs, or struggling to strap all the technology and the strategies together, then I've got to tell you, you are not alone and you're not the first to feel that way, but it doesn't have to be like that. With FunnelCentrix, you'll never need to waste time or money on another digital marketing training program ever again. Now think about that for a second. I know that most people just need a clear, workable path, and I know from experience that most business owners and marketers are happy to put some time and effort into their business and the marketing of their business if they knew they were going in the right direction and it would get the results they were looking for and need. As long as they could follow a proven process with a solid foundation and a clear step-by-step guide to achieve the goal of growing their business. And that's exactly what I've created with FunnelCentrix and the FunnelCentrix membership program. You'll get a clear focused path laid out for you so you know exactly what to do at any specific time. I believe that FunnelCentrix could save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of wasted hours, and here's why. It's a fact that there are loads of so-called marketing gurus peddling worn-out programs, pushing ideas that are outdated or even damaging to your business, or simply rehashing strategies that never worked in the first place. If you're getting blinded by technology or overwhelmed with worthless information, then FunnelCentrix could be the answer to your marketing prayers. I know it's a bold statement, but FunnelCentrix is like no other program you've ever tried before. You see, it covers all the bases, not just one small part of the marketing process. Nothing works in isolation. We look at placing the funnel at the heart of your business, and that means giving you a comprehensive A to Z program. From marketing fundamentals so you get the foundations right, all the way through to the ultimate Facebook marketing course and beyond. This means you're going to be able to build a solid marketing system perfect for your business and take it all the way through from getting those foundations right, creating sales and marketing funnels that rock, pumping in free and paid traffic to build leads and prospects, and then converting those prospects into happy customers. It's all we want from our business, to have the real ability to grow over time using proven marketing strategies that work and pay for themselves. If you can get to that point, then you can justify putting time, effort, and money into your marketing. Marketing that works is a golden goose. So here's how we do it. We use a 2-pronged approach, so you can make sure you have all the tools you need for success. As a FunnelCentrix member, you'll have access to 2 vital ingredients so you can create your own successful and powerful marketing platform. The very first thing is a comprehensive online training program. And as a member of FunnelCentrix, you get full access to the whole of the Ultimate Funnel System training program. This means unrestricted access to all of the courses, all of the cheat sheets, and all of the downloads contained in the system. The program uses a step-by-step approach which has 4 key sections: the foundation, the funnel, the traffic, and the profit feedback loop. Each section builds your marketing process brick by brick so you can create a fully formed marketing strategy with no stone unturned. This is essential if you want a real-world automated funnel at the heart of your business, one that actually pulls in real leads, people who are genuinely looking for products and services that you offer. The funnel must be built to pull those leads through to a sale, and that's exactly what this comprehensive training shows you exactly how to do. The second part of the FunnelCentrix approach is to give you access to the closed Facebook group. Now, this is a critical element to the membership. The training is second to none. However, training in a vacuum can be problematic. If you've ever done any online training, you'll know exactly what I mean. That's why we've created the closed Facebook group, so you have a forum to share successes and to highlight challenges. The closed Facebook group gives you a continual online group support so you can ask questions, help others from your own experience, and be part of the sort of conversations you need to grow as a marketer. We also release additional training through our Facebook group, as well as making sure you know when the webinars are on, and also to have webinar replays at your fingertips. So as you grow, you'll have FunnelCentrix as a constant and useful marketing companion. I told you this was different. It's also the reason why we've made the program genuinely affordable for anyone in business. I promised you no more expensive programs, and becoming a member of FunnelCentrix could not be easier or more affordable. The cost of joining the membership program is just $44 a month, making this the most affordable marketing training program available right now, and one that will significantly and positively change the approach you have to your marketing. Not only is it affordable, but being an ongoing program means that you can become part of a success-hungry community. Now listen, we're all in the same boat. We all want to build our businesses, serve our clients, and create a successful business process. And you can drive that success by being part of FunnelCentrix. So join us today, start the process, and start to make a massive difference to you and your business. I look forward to welcoming you as a FunnelCentrix member.